This sturdy, stable, and durable 18 inches tall metal platform bed with steel slats replace a box spring. No box spring is needed. Hold 15 pounds. Based on static test result. Double sliding protect system. 1. Applying double adhesive tape. 2. Encasing a mattress, so customers can find that this frame is a bit bigger than the standard frame as it is designed to encase a mattress by 5 mm deep frame size. Twin 41.5 width by 77 length. Full 55.5 width by 77 length. Queen 61.5 width by 82 length. King 77.5 width by 82 length inches. Material type, steel. Included components, frame, screw kit. Instruction, fabric type, steel. Ample space under bed 16.5 inches for your storage. Manufacturer limited 5 years. Please peel off the upper strip antislip tape on slats. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. This Deluxe 11-leg bed frame full. Queen, king size added 2 legs in the middle of standard bed frame. To upgrade more supporting supports your Deluxe mattress for long last and can hold over 15 pounds. Even it is 18 inches tall. It is very stable. Number 2. Plastic floor protectors are applied at the bottom of all legs. With no scratches on your floor and rounded edges with plastic protectors on the top of front legs prevent bumping into sharp corners. Number 3. The frame is designed to encase the mattress 5 mm deep in metal slats have double-sided adhesive tape to keep a mattress from sliding. Number 4. By applying a noise-free plastic cover on every edge of slats. When you turn and toss in sleeping, it does not make noise. Ample space under the bed 16.5 inches for your storage. Number 5. Warranty manufacturer limited 5 years. Please peel off the upper strip antislip tape on slats. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.